Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am Gino Dilo, and I am the next discussant of the diverse family. And also, this is the continuation of Mr. Kubaro's report. Anyway, so let's proceed. First is blended family, a family that consists of members from two or more previous family. So this kind of family is like one or both partners are had already children from their previous family. Like for example, ang father is naanay two children and the other woman has already a child and they live together. Tapos mo na matawag nga blended family kay ang kuan man ang laki is nanay duha ka anak tapos ang isa ka baji is napod sila anak from their kuan previous relationships tapos nag-live in sila tapos mo na matawag og blended family like blended from the word nagtibo. Next is conditionally separated family. A family member is separated from the rest of the family. This may be due to employment, away, military service, or etc. So it says here no na ang conditionally separated family daw is one of the family members had to go outside of the country due to reason of like for example military service or kuan best example nato dre ano sa kuan Philippines is kanang bitong na atong family one of the family like atong mother or father is nag OFW tapos the rest of the family the mother or the and the children are kuan gyapon nagpabilin ra gyapon sa Philippines. So mao na ang conditionally separated family. And kan di only keep in touch from kan lang video calls like mga ingana chats. Next is foster family. So a family where one or more of the children is legally temporary member of the household. So familiarize naman tani yung sa ning foster family no. So mura kibali ni kan bitaw guardian guardian parents ba kay ang atong kibali ang atong parents are kuan ginagtrabaho sa kuan OFW tapos gipabilin ra ta sa related like kuan sa atong silingan or ang atong mga auntie and titos gipabilin ta gibilin ra ta sa ila kay ang atong both parents is waya man due to employment siguro um or na sana dead na ang atong parents. So mura kibali ni guardian rawa sa ato kay kuaman uya mga atong kuan both parents. Next is gay or lesbian family. So a family where one of both of the parents' sexual orientation is gay or lesbian. This kind of family is like imong like foster parents is like gi-adapt ra kanila ba kay like for example two women or lesbian who are in a relationships tapos gi-adapt kanila as a child or to raise them like unsa man nila pag-anak og both gender sila so nag-adapt lang sila sa usa ka kuan usa ka bata tapos manay gitawag og gay or lesbian family. Next is immigrant family. So a family where the parents are have immigrated to another country as adults. So this family is like nag-move sila sa ka places permanently sa kuan like in a foreign country like kuan ba kanang bali ang imong kuan mother and father is kuan giapil na sab ka pag move sa kuan lain bansa kay para dito na magkuan padayon sa imong kuan future, permanent na mo dito ka. The last one is the migrant. So kuan giay na kay is immigrant man to, so karon migrant family. So this kind of family is a family that moves regularly to places where they have employment. For example, kani nga kuan migrant family is like nagpabalis-balis mo og usa ka balay kay due to employment kuno no, kanang kibali imong kuan imong parents are nagtrabaho sa usa ka kumpanya, or let's just say teacher imong kuan imong both parents, tapos dito siya nagpa gi-assign siya kada year og lain-lain bitaw nga eskwelahan, tapos ug ikaw mo pod sa imong mga family members is giuban mo ni siya kay balis-balis mo pod siya, so nagbalis-balis sa kamunan bayay kay kuan man ni siya, there are no permanent places man mo kay kuan nagmove ra mo regularly to place where they have kuan man employment sa imong parents. So ayun. So I think that would be all, and I hope you learned something about my report. So again, good day everyone. And if na may pangutana guys, just leave a comment in the comment section. Charot. Ayaw ba ito mong pangutana?